Hi everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple e-commerce app built using React. For authentication, I used Context API, and for cart management, I used Redux Toolkit. Let's see how everything works step by step. First, I created an authentication context. This handles sign up, login, and logout. Users are saved in local storage, and I also generate a token to keep them logged in. If the token expires, the app automatically logs them out. Thanks to this, we can show different menus for logged in and guest users. Next, for cart state, I used Redux Toolkit. The cart slice handles adding products, removing them, and changing quantities. It also keeps track of the total items and total price. With Redux, the cart is instantly available across the app. The navbar is dynamic. If the user is logged in, it shows links to the dashboard, products, and a cart badge that displays the number of items. It also shows the user's name and a logout button. If the user isn't logged in, it only shows sign up and login. In the product list, I fetch API products with an image, name, price, and an add to cart button. When you click add to cart, Redux updates the state, and the navbar instantly reflects the new cart count. On the cart page, users can see everything they added. They can increase or decrease quantities, remove items, and the total price updates live. This gives a complete shopping cart experience. I also added a protected dashboard. It's only accessible if you're logged in. If you're not, the app redirects you to the login page. This keeps the app secure. So in summary, this project uses Context API for authentication, Redux Toolkit for cart state, and React Router for navigation and route protection. This shows how you can mix context and Redux in the same app for different use cases.